Hello to all of the students. Students, today let us see benzyne aromatic nucleophilic substitution, that is known as benzyne mechanism. Students, this benzyne mechanism is one of the type of aromatic nucleophilic substitution. In previous lecture, you learned about the SNAR and its mechanism. Today we have to see the benzyne mechanism, which is one of the aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism. This is also known as elimination addition mechanism, which is exactly opposite to the SNAR reaction mechanism, because SNAR reaction mechanism is known as addition elimination mechanism and benzyne mechanism is known as elimination addition mechanism. That means first step is elimination and then addition takes place. Therefore, it is elimination addition mechanism. Now students, this is the mechanism in which there is formation of benzyne as an intermediate takes place. As benzyne as an intermediate is formed during this benzyne mechanism, this mechanism is known as benzyne mechanism. That means benzyne word is introduced in the mechanism because there is formation of benzyne intermediate during the mechanism. And this mechanism takes place in presence of very strongly basic medium. That means a strong base is necessary for the completion of this mechanism. Ammonia is mostly used. Now let us see how the reaction takes place. When chlorobenzene with sodium amide NaNH2 or potassium amide KNH2 in presence of strong medium ammonia undergo aromatic nucleophilic substitution, in which chlorine is a leaving group, it is given out and its position is taken by NH2. This is elimination addition type because firstly Cl is eliminated and then NH2 is added. This NH2 is from potassium amide KNH2. Now the another way we can see, in this example you can see bromine Br and methyl group CH3 both are bonded to the adjacent carbon atom. In this reaction you can see that Br is firstly given out and its position is taken by NH2 and the other structure is obtained in the product where NH2 is get bonded with adjacent carbon to the carbon to which bromine was previously bonded. Here 4-bromotoluene is to be reacted with NaNH2 sodium amide in presence of strong medium ammonia NH3. Bromine is at para position according to the CH3. This is 4-bromotoluene. When this 4-bromotoluene is reacted with NaNH2 in presence of ammonia, you can see one of the structure is obtained where Br is eliminated firstly, then Br position is taken by NH2. And you can see that in the next structure, the carbon beside to the carbon of or the carbon adjacent to the carbon of Br, it is also occupied by the NH2 group. That means you can see that two replacements are possible here. in which Br is given out and its position is taken by NH2, and the carbon adjacent to it is also occupied by similar NH2 group. That means two products possibilities are here. That means new substituent becomes attached to either the carbon that is bonded with leaving group or the carbon which is adjacent to it. Two possibilities are considered here. Similarly, if the carbon to which chlorine is bonded, it is considered as C14, or we can label it as C14, treated with this compound chlorobenzene with KNH2 and NH3. In this, two possibilities are again here. You can see this carbon is labeled as C14 and this is the chlorine bonded with it. You can see when this chlorine is given out, its position is taken by NH2. NH2 is from KNH2, potassium amide. Its adjacent carbon is this one. The another structure is obtained where this carbon get bonded with NH2. That means this carbon is adjacent to the carbon which was bonded with Cl. In such a way, students, the benzene aromatic nucleophilic substitution takes place. Here we see the regioselectivity in this mechanism. Let us see the regioselectivity in benzene mechanism with respect to product formation. Symmetric, in terms of symmetric benzene, when benzene is formed, the nucleophile get attaches to the carbon, only product obtained. You can see there. In second case, in terms of unsymmetric benzenes, you can see this is the position of benzene. In this benzene, when nucleophile get attaches to the aromatic carbon, if plus I effect is present, nucleophile get attaches to here. If minus I effect is present, then here nucleophile get attached to this carbon atom. In terms of this position, you can see when minus I effect is shown, the nucleophile get attaches like this, and if plus I effect is shown, the nucleophile get attaches to this carbon atom. This is the regioselectivity according to electron with respect to product formation. Now in this case, now one of the important cases there, you can see that in this reaction, which one? During this reaction, you can see that Br is given out from here and its position is occupied by NH2, and in the another case, here this carbon is adjacent to this carbon atom. This adjacent carbon is also occupied by NH2. But here this Br is present and adjacent, both of the adjacent carbon of this carbon to which Br is bonded is occupied by methyl groups. In such cases, no reaction will take place, because in such case, as this carbon which is bonded with Br, it's both of the two adjacent carbons are occupied by two methyl groups, there is no reaction takes place. Now let us see what is benzene. Actually benzene, it is obtained from benzene. If we consider out of 3 carbon-carbon double bonds from benzene, one of the carbon-carbon double bond get converted into triple bond by the removal of 2 hydrogen atoms from the doubly bonded carbons. That is the process of dehydrogenation. After removing 2 hydrogens from the adjacent carbon atoms, there is formation of carbon-carbon triple bond. That is the formation of benzene, having molecular formula C6H4, and in IUPAC its name is cyclohexa 1,3-diene-5-ine. YNE is for carbon-carbon triple bond. And you also already know benzene is one of the type of ene that contain carbon-carbon triple bond in structure. That triple bond which is present in that structure of benzene, it is non-linear because of the restriction of the 6-membered ring. Benzene is highly reactive compound because of the strain caused by the triple bond present in the ring. Because when the triple bond is formed in aromatic ring, there is a formation of strain in bonds. Therefore, benzene is highly reactive compound. Therefore, this formation of benzene in benzene mechanism is one of the important steps to initiate the mechanism. You can see the structure on screen. Now this triple bond, how it is formed when benzene is converted into benzene, 2 hydrogens are removed. After that, this double bond is converted into triple bond. That means one bond is formed. This is due to the overlapping of 2 sp2 orbitals of the carbons adjacent to each other, from which hydrogens was removed. Now benzene is also like benzene, it is aromatic compound, cyclic, planar geometry. It has a conjugated 6-pi electron system. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. Which one? Benzene is aromatic in nature. Now let us see the mechanism. Before that, you can see that bromobenzene with sodium amide in presence of solvent ammonia, Br is given out and its position is taken by NH2. NH2 is from NaNH2. In this benzene mechanism, the benzene ring is not activated by electron withdrawing group if there is present. A strong base is required for this mechanism, and the rate of various aryl halides is depend upon the halogen present in it or halogen bonded to aromatic ring. If I is present, it has higher reactivity than if Br is present, Cl is present, and or fluorine is present. In this case, addition elimination step does not perform. Instead of that, elimination addition step is performed. Therefore, benzene mechanism is elimination addition mechanism. That means the benzene mechanism takes place by elimination addition type of mechanism. Now let us see. One of the example is given here. Two mechanisms of nucleophilic aromatic substitution are considered. which involves benzene as an intermediate. Therefore, that is known as benzene mechanism. It is actually, I told you, aromatic nucleophilic substitution, but which take place through formation of benzene intermediate in presence of strong base. Here you can see that 2-chlorotoluene with NaNH2 and solvent NH3 gives rise to the formation of 2-aminotoluene or 3-aminotoluene. I already told you, when the reaction proceeds, the Cl is firstly given out and its position is taken by NH2. And also there is possibility the second product is obtained when the carbon to which chlorine was initially bonded, its adjacent carbon will also occupied by NH2 to form the product. Let us see the mechanism, that is benzylic mechanism of aromatic nucleophilic substitution. Step 1, NH2 from NaNH2. This NH2 from NaNH2 abstract this hydrogen atom. That means the hydrogen from the carbon which is adjacent to the carbon of chlorine, from that carbon which is adjacent to the carbon of chlorine, hydrogen from that carbon is abstracted by NH2 and it gets converted into NH3, and at the same time Cl is also given out and the bonding pair is acquired by Cl. Firstly 3 bond pair was present, now here 4 bond pairs are present here. This product form, which one? This one. This is the formation of benzene. That means step 1 is the formation of benzene. You can see that here this double bond get converted into triple bond. In step 2, 2 possibilities are there. In this possibility you can see that in first possibility here this triple bond get converted into double bond firstly. The triple bond of benzene get converted to double bond, and these bonding electrons are transferred on this carbon atom. You can see here lone pair is transferred on adjacent carbon, and this NH3 with the help of pair of electron get bonded to this carbon atom like this. In such a way NH3 or nitrogen of NH3 now carry positive charge because the pair present on electron is shared with carbon of aromatic ring to form a bond, carbon nitrogen bond. Again the another possibility is there. Instead of second carbon, the NH3 will get bonded also to the third carbon atom here in the similar manner, but in this case the electron pair will be transferred on second carbon atom. In such a way step 2 takes place. After that the third step of benzene mechanism arises, where you can see that during this step you can write NH3 like this, all the hydrogens shown here separately bonded with nitrogen. This hydrogen is given out and get bonded with this carbon atom with the pair of electron present on that carbon, and only NH2 remains here. And again, when the bond between N and H breaks, this bonding pair again acquired by this NH2, a nitrogen of NH2. In the similar way, again this hydrogen is given out, get bonded with this carbon atom, and this bonding pair acquired by nitrogen. In such a way, the product is obtained 2-aminotoluene and 3-aminotoluene. Now another mechanism is also given here. Here only halogen is bonded with aromatic ring. In the previous mechanism, halogen and methyl group both was bonded with aromatic ring. But the mechanism is similar. There is no difference. In the similar way, when NH2 from NaNH2, you can see this NH2 is from NaNH2, it abstract hydrogen, get converted into NH3, and this Cl is given out, you can see, and this double bond get converted into now triple bond, formation of benzene. In the second step, NH2 approaches to the adjacent carbon of the carbon which was previously bonded with Cl. In the previous, you can see that this carbon was bonded with Cl. In this step, this is the adjacent carbon to that carbon atom. Now NH2 get bonded with this carbon, and triple bond get converted into double bond, and bonding pair get transferred to this carbon atom. While making the bond with carbon, nitrogen use its own lone pair of electron for the bonding. In this step, the angle strain is relieved now. Now the two sp hybridized ring carbons in benzene become sp2 hybridized. Here you can see that the carbon-carbon triple bond is present in benzene. That carbons are in sp hybridized state. When they get converted into carbon-carbon double bond, they become sp2 hybridized. In step 3, the NH2 present let us see how the reaction takes place. Here when this product is obtained in the step 2, mechanism product from step 2, in this product you can see that this product abstract hydrogen from ammonia, and that hydrogen with the help of this pair get bonded to the aromatic ring. In such a way, there is formation of product that is needed in aromatic nucleophilic substitution through benzene mechanism. In such a way, students, we see here two mechanisms, in which in first mechanism we see that aromatic ring was bonded with halogen and methyl group. In second mechanism, only halogen is bonded with benzene ring.